anime reels are very trending now, like this, and this. In this video, I will show you how you can convert any video into anime. Open Discord and join this server. The invite link of this server is given in the description. Now answer some questions. You can also skip this page. Now click the Finish button. You can see about the AI tool from this channel. Now find the channel name Generate Video to convert your video to anime. Type /video here. Then click here and upload the video which you want to convert. After uploading the video, type Convert to Anime in the prompt section. Then click Enter and wait some time. Now select Anime v2 Japanese anime style. Then select the duration of how long you want the animation clip to be. Then click Start and wait until it finishes converting. The conversion is complete and the result is in front of you. You can watch the differences between the original clip and the converted clip. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family.